Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and today I'm going to show you all how I got this really cute Barbie style high ponytail. So step one, I'm just going to start by grabbing my Paul Mitchell paddle brush and brushing out any tangles so that everything is smoothed out and seamless. And then I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum just to give my hair a little bit of extra hydration before I start styling. And then I'm just going to rub the product in the palm of my hand and evenly distribute it throughout my hair. And then I'm just going to flip my head over and collect my hair into the crown of my head. And then I'm just going to take my paddle brush once again to smooth everything out once I have the ponytail in the perfect place. And now I'm going to take my heat protectant, which is the hot off the press, give it a little shake, 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 and then evenly distribute that throughout my ponytail. And then I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand and begin to place curls throughout my ponytail. You can definitely leave your hair straight in this hairstyle, but I simply prefer to add a little bit of extra volume with my curling wand, and it also gives it a little bit of extra sass. And voila, now you have a really cute Barbie style high ponytail. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles that I rock very often. And then I'm going to take a finishing spray, which is the Invisible Wear finishing spray, give it a little shake, and then evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check back every week for new videos. Bye guys!